Welcome to Zoomers RV. Today we have a 2007 Forest River Surveyor SV235RS with a rear slide, nice awning, roof AC, has nice smooth sides, no delamination, no water damage, propane tanks with cover, new battery. Nice Goodyear tires with good tread, not weather checked, excellent condition. Has the rear slide out. This trailer is super lightweight. Up front, it has like a bunk bed type bed in the floor with a full-size mattress. Straight ahead is the bathroom with a nice stool, sink, cabinet, nice clean shower, medicine cabinet with mirror. To your left is the kitchen, has a double sink with cover, 3-burner Magic Chef stove, nice and clean. Magic Chef microwave, also very clean. CD player radio. To the right side is the Dometic refrigerator. Just past the refrigerator is a couch that makes into a bed. In the rear of the camper is the slide out. That is a full-size bed. Someone has put a full-size pillow top mattress in here. It's clean, no issues, but it's a very tight fit. That's why there's kind of some dips and humps in it. No issues, just nice and tight. Then between the kitchen and the bed is the dinette booth. Cushions are real nice, not worn or torn. Couch is also very nice, not worn or torn. Overall, this unit is in very nice condition. We've had it in our shop, checked all the systems, roof air, furnace, refrigerator, awning, microwave, slide out. Everything's in good working order. Good luck bidding.